kicked him. Bubba shot the jukebox last night. Said he played his last song and didn't cry. Up to his truck and got us 45. Bubba shot the jukebox last night. Bubba ain't never been accused of being mentally stable. We did not crawl an easy breath till he laid that coat on the table. He hung his head till the cops showed up. He tried to ride out Marcus. Told him, don't you play dumb with us, son. Not damn well off the charges. Bubba shot the jukebox last night. Said he played a sad song and didn't cry. To his truck and got up 45. He shot the jukebox last night. When the sheriff arrived with his bathrobe on, the confrontation was a tense one.
That's
He shook
nasty.
his head and said, Bubba, boy,
Did he get all the song
always
said?
a tense one. A rapist is charged with a gun. That's what the officers are claiming.
Oh, that ain't that bad. Oh, that's nasty.
It just where I was aiming. Bubba shot the
Bad enough for you not to shoot that.
night. Said he played a sad song and didn't
Alright, get right back up on it. See, this is where you become a real dick.
Stopped with one shot. Bubba shot the jukebox last night. But he could not tell right from wrong through the teardrops in his eyes. Beyond the shadow of a doubt, it was justifiable homicide. Bubba shot the jukebox. Stopped with one shot. Bubba shot the jukebox last night. Haven't been to church since I don't remember when. Things were going great till they fell apart again.
You ever heard the song? No.
So I listened to the preacher
Who is this?
as he told me
Jared.
what to do. He said you can't
Never heard
go
the song
hating
before.
others.
Jared.
I've done
From All
wrong
Roads
to
Club.
you. Sometimes we get angry, but we must not condemn. Let the good Lord do his job. You just pray for them. I pray your brakes go out, running down the hill. I pray a flower pot falls from the windowsill and knocks you
I was still
in
fucking
the
with you about
head
it,
like I'd like to. I pray your birthday comes and nobody calls. I pray you're flying high when your engine stalls. I pray all your dreams.
Oh, that's even better. That's even better. God damn, that's like the best thing that could have happened to you. Oh, you motherfucker. Because I was worried about when I get that Rio, I would have mileage going. I know exactly.
Really glad I found my way to church.
Oh, thank
I'm
God.
already feeling better and I thank God for the worst. I'm gonna take the high road and do what the
It will not run out, and I gotta know that. And I believe in it, and I have to play off of that. That I'm not gonna run out. That I'm not gonna run out.
I pray your tire blows out at 110. I pray you pass out drunk with your best friend and wake up with
Oh shit.
his
Yes, sir.
tattoos.
Oh my goodness, dude. I'm not playing good today, man. Sorry, I'm still going to Vegas.
When your brakes go out running down a hill, pray a flower pot falls from a windowsill
Sorry.
and knocks you in the air like I'd like to.
Probably not. Oh my god, that's nasty. Oh. Head down, head. Oh, I had it. The reason I stop it in between,
It goes to sleep.
no,